Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple AI chatbot. When you get to the dashboard here, you just create a new one. I'm going to call this one Demo Bot. Boom. Alright, Demo. And you just click the little next button here. You can choose the bottom right or the bottom left on the position here. And then you name it. Right, we're naming it Demo Bot. So the name pops up right there. And then you can say, hello, turn payments into profits. And you can have a call to action. Ask me anything. Would you like a chatbot like this? And then you can choose how many pages it appears on and have a fallback message. And for this, if you have questions, go here. And that is a website that'll help people get started. You can choose a file to upload right here and change your little icon widget to whatever. You can also change the color and hex codes. Any hex code that you have, your branding color, whatever, you can put it right here. Works perfect. You always want to save it. And it looks like this. Boom. Now, to the flow builder. Here, you start out with probably a question, right? You can question people. Say, what's your name? That's a good question, right? And then you can also say, what's your email? Okay, boom. And then you can jump into AI mode, and we're gonna say this one is AI, and it is Kingdom Life Ascension. Okay. Let's say you. You. Can do, yeah. You're an AI chatbot for Kingdom Life Ascension. You demo yourself to show people what an AI chatbot can do. Bam, that's perfect. And then you can save your data, right? You want to save people's names and emails, and you can also loop, play videos, images. You can redirect. There's multiple choice options. I'm just going over this real quickly to give you guys a rundown. So you always want to save it, okay? Save your flow. You want to test your flow. It's going to give the rundown right here. Let's see. And then it's going to give your email. All right. Hello. And it will speak with you. Welcome to Kingdom Life. How can I help you today? You can ask about programs, pricing, or just getting started. So this is a hybrid mode. We're using the flow builder and then it goes into AI. You can actually just use the AI mode. You can just straight put your info in here, and I have a whole nother tool to show you how to program this business context and train it. It does have an advanced mode, which turns this software into a vector database. So I don't recommend that unless you have a website where you want like 100 pages or something to be answered by. And if you do, I wouldn't even touch this. I would put everything in here and let it do it. But most everything can be handled right here in the normal AI mode, the standard AI mode. And then here in the settings, you can use Google Apps Script and pull this into a sheet with your sheet ID and use email notifications, your automation, Zapier, or Make. If you use Go High Level, you can put the webhook in the same place as either Zapier or Make. It'll work either one. You can whitelist domains, and you can take the branding off or not. You also have a MailChimp API key or a Klaviyo API key. Here you can write whatever. Here's the internalization, and you can change the widget text to a different language, and you can change the default that doesn't look like a valid email, and you can change the default please only enter numbered validation message. So that's all right here. But you always want to save, and I'll show you the internalization that I was talking about is right here. How can I get a chatbot? Get my own AI chatbot. So that's where the internalization is in your settings. And then it has reports. It's going to say how many leads you got, and then it's going to record the responses, right? And have it right here so you can view all of that. Easy peasy. And then you have a chat log where it lists your chat log. So this is your integration code. On a normal website, you'll use this universal code. Go high level, you have this script. And then if you want to embed the bot, you put this script, and wherever you want it on the page, you use this piece right here. Only that right there. And it will pop up right there. And then you can change the size of it, the width and the height for desktop or mobile, and the image sizes. So that is a basic rundown. These things are amazing. You can program them to do anything. I have a few of them right here that I like to use for my own stuff. And yeah, check it out.